Hi everyone, today we're comparing Moonshot and Binance. These are two platforms in the crypto world. Let's break them down and see which one's better for what. First up, we have Moonshot. It's a platform focused on meme coins, mostly on Solana. You can buy these fun, trendy coins easily using Apple Pay or a bank card. It's super simple. Just deposit cash, pick your coin, and trade using your wallet. Think of it as the quick and easy spot for jumping into meme coin crazes, perfect for beginners or anyone chasing the next big hype. Now we have Binance. It's a giant crypto exchange where you can trade all sorts of coins, not just meme ones, across tons of blockchains. It's got low fees, advanced tools like charts and futures, and even stuff like staking or NFTs. Whether you're new or a pro, but Binance is built for buying, selling, and exploring pretty much any crypto out there. So how do they compare? Moonshot is all about meme coins. It's great if you want a simple way to grab the latest viral token. No fuss. Binance though is the big player. It's better for trading all kinds of coins with more options and power. Moonshot's small and focused. Binance is huge and versatile. If you're into quick meme coin fun, Moonshot wins. If you want a full crypto experience, Binance is your pick. Bottom line, Moonshot for meme coin fans, Binance for everything else. Which one fits your style? Drop your thoughts in the comment below and please like, share, and subscribe.